Hi guys, welcome back to Uncle Todd's Garage. As you can see from the thumbnail, I got another broken machine here. It's actually my sister's unit, but it was broken by me. So that's why we're here fixing it. I'd probably be fixing it if she broke it. But we'll get into that here in just a second. So yeah, the problem's somewhere in, I don't know, this area here and back here. I don't know if you can see that or not. The back part of the lower A-arm is broken too. So how'd this happen? I'm sure you're wondering. Well, literally, I was going maybe 5 miles an hour. My dad was with me, and my son and my nephew were in my machine. We were out on our property. I was actually trying to be nice to her machine because I was going around a thick mud hole and through the grass. In the grass was a tree stump, and tree stump wins every time. I seen it at the last second. I thought I might be able to go over it, but I was wrong. Made a hell of a noise. Me and my dad were both jostling around a little bit. No serious injuries. So as you can see from what I just showed you, it broke the lower control arm clean off. I'm pretty sure that's the only damage, hopefully, because the problem here is she needs this in 2 days. She's going to Silver Lake Sand Dunes. So I got a new control arm here. We're gonna get that out, and hopefully that's all we need. Okay. Rocky Mountain ATV. I ordered it. I thought I ordered it 2-day shipping, but I was still out in the woods with very poor signal when I ordered it, and it was standard shipping, but it still came in. Well, I ordered it on Saturday, and it's Wednesday now, so it's really just 3 business days. They're super fast about shipping. And again, I ordered it through affiliate link for side-by-side blog. I really enjoy watching those guys, so anytime I need parts, I try to order them through their affiliate link. And it's hot today. It's in the mid 80s or something. The air conditioner's been running for hours in here, and it isn't enough. It's hot. Well, I think we may have the right one. There. That looks like it's into you. Oh yeah. Okay, so I did not get that on camera, but this part here in the middle was kind of pushed that way. So what I did is I came in with a bolt and a nut all the way through from the other side, put it through the hole, and I hit a hammer on this side, and that pushed that back out. But we still got a little booger right there. I think we're gonna a crescent wrench on that. See if we can't straighten that out. Aha. Yes. Money. Nice. Okay, moment of truth, guys. See what it looks like when we get it on the ground. Looks good so far. Yeah, looks straight. We're good. Golden. One more thing. I did tell you guys that she's going to the sand dunes with us in a couple days. She has not had it there. She did not have a flag mount on this. So yesterday I made one up. Just I don't know what these bolt holes are meant for in here, but just made this piece of angle with a bracket on it. Oh, that's plenty strong. Okay. Pop the grill back in. I always do it backwards. Well, there we go, guys. Looks like we got her all set. Flag mount on, lower control arm done, and she's good to go. If for some reason I didn't get it done, I was going to let her take my machine to the sand dunes, but she can take her own. She'll be more comfortable in there. I'll be more comfortable with her and hers. And this is why I don't ride people's stuff. I just ride my own. If I break it, it's mine. Speaking of that, if you're going to be good at breaking stuff like me, you better be good at fixing stuff. So we're going to go ahead and get this back in the trailer.